Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2026 GMC Acadia? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2026 GMC Acadia protects and distributes electrical power to critical engine and vehicle systems. It houses fuses and relays for components like headlights, wipers, the starter, and control modules. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2026 GMC Acadia supplies power and protection for interior electrical features such as the infotainment system, climate controls, dashboard lighting, and convenience accessories. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2026 GMC Acadia powers and safeguards rear area features, including the liftgate, rear climate control, power outlets, and trailer-related functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.